Hello and welcome to LI Geospatial, and in this quick video tutorial I'll show you how to calculate area in QGIS. So basically I have 16 local government of Taraba State and I want to create their various area each local government cover. For you to be able to calculate area, you must definitely have to be on projected coordinate system. So you have to project your data to that coordinate system called projected coordinate system, or UTM, anyone that you understand. We in Nigeria, under our local DUTUM, we are in MENA zone 32 or WGS 1984 zone 32, UTM zone 32. Any of them will serve you right. So my data is already in projected coordinate system. So if I want to generate area now, all I need to do is to right click on the map, that's the state, that's Taraba, and then I'll go to open attribute. Then on open attribute, I will click on this to toggle it on. This same will be in toggling editing mode. Now I will go right here to when you see open field calculator, click on it. Once you click on it, check on this create a new field. Now we will have easily created a new field and fill that in, but here you have to just allow it to create a new field. Then what's the name of the field? It's area. Now on area you select what is it, what kind of integer is it, a decimal, let's leave it decimal, real, anyone. And then you come down and look for geometry. You either just click on this once or you double click on it, any of them will work. Then you run down until you see area. So now we have two areas here. One is saying return the area of the current field created by this function will export both the settings. For example, if an ellipsoid has been set for this, so it's this one is, I don't know, but anyone, I'll just use any of them. I don't want to know and I don't know. So area is area. So I'm just going to use this first one and then I'm just double click on it, and then this has entered here. Once you have that done, you just click on OK. Now once you click on OK, you see the area has been calculated. But now there's one more thing remaining. If you check here and here, you see that the area is the same. Alright, we have 889, we have 888, which is virtually almost the same thing. So the area has been calculated, and that's it for today. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.